Metal kids, all right, are you ready to see me open up this other box I teased you with from the ramble a week back? All right, if you are, here we go. All right, kids, let's open this bad boy up. I'm really excited for this one. So I wanted this car the first time I saw it. And just never had the opportunity to really get it yet. And I had a spare chip from one of my barn finds, a digital decoder. So we picked up this in the Evolution version because it was a lot more affordable. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, baby. Wow. Wow. Check that bad boy out. I always loved Kenwood equipment back in the day, so let's open this bad boy up and get it on the turntable. Stay tuned. All right, kids, here we go. This Kenwood BMW M1 Procar is just gorgeous. It's number 151. The livery is a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for here? Conservative. It's not overly done. We got your Dunlop on the back, MK Motorsports, Castrol, your drivers here, more Castrol livery. And there's your front kick-ass grille. And the same thing on the opposite side. So it's very minimal, but I like that. I love how shiny black it is with the Kenwood logo and all that. She's a beautiful car. I really dig it. Some nice detail on the motor cabinet, the interior of the car. You can hear Phoebe playing with her ball over there. Very nice. See the driver really well. The cages, the fire extinguishers, and your wheel. And there's your bottom. And I've already got some tires and a guide ready for this and a chip. So we're going to upgrade this bad boy, get it digital, and we'll get it on the track and let you guys see it. So stay tuned. All right, kids, we got her chipped up and on the track. And she is looking sexy and shiny. Nothing like a gloss black paint job. You can actually see, look, you can see the stoplight that's on the wall in the rooftop. How cool is that? All right, so very cool car. It needs a break-in period, so we're gonna get our break-in period done, but thanks for watching this unboxing of this beautiful BMW M1 Kenwood Procar. Metal kids, have a good day. Cheers.